Hi guys, thanks for joining me. So it's been 1 week since we designed that performance peak with just a watercolor drawing I made on paint. I'm not expecting wonderful things. I mostly want to see what the fabrics are. So I'm creating a design on each kind of fabric that you can order so that I can have an array of fabrics to design on. And I know that seeing the different the way the fabric drapes and how it shines, if it has a sheen, all that stuff, you really only know by getting one in real life. So, oh my gosh. Okay, there we go. Okay, this is just, like I said, a silly drawing in paint. Nothing important. So they send you a nice little thing with care instructions. Okay, and also a thank you card. Wash your fabric first before using it, it says. And then shop the sister brand, the Roostery. Okay, so let's get into it. This is the Performance Peak. So I'm guessing it's stuff for like, you know, performance wear. So let's see. I wasn't sure how it was going to turn out. We used the mirror option when we did the design. So I like the material. It's not see-through. Like, you could probably make tights with this, with your own designs. Oh my gosh, you could just turn doodles into tights, you guys. So fun. I love Spoonflower. I'm not getting paid by Spoonflower. They don't know who I am between anybody in the world, so that's not at all why I'm making the video. I just really love having the opportunity to make my own fabric, my own designs on my fabric. It's just opening up the world for me, and you know, hopefully it's helping you as well. So it'll give us the job number, gives us the design number, the kind of item it is, and the order number and item number. That way, if you have somebody who wants a certain design on a certain fabric, you can show them all the different ones you have. So this is the Performance Peak. It's stretchy, but it's not shiny. It's just stretchy. And then this is the satin. It's very pretty. This is just one of my acrylic paint pours that I did. I took a picture of it, did the mirror thing. Excuse me. And then this is the Basic Cotton Ultra. And that's really pretty. And it's really, it's thin cotton, so it'll be see-through if you have lighter colors. And then this is the Kona cotton. It's very thick and you can't see through it at all. And then I got the velvet once, I thought, but I haven't seen it in real life. So, or I mean, I haven't been able to find it since I thought I ordered it. So I'm guessing that I never ordered it, or I ordered it right about the same time they stopped offering it, because whenever we did the designing the other day, I noticed that it's not even there anymore. So anyways, this was the Performance Peak, P-I-Q-U-E or P-I-C-Q-U-E, I don't know. But let's see if we can get up close. This is actually perfect for doll clothes. Stretches just enough, not too stretchy, and I bet you don't have to edge it because that's not going to fray. Oh, that's amazing. Okay, guys, this is a win. I hope you found this video helpful. If you've been wondering about getting into designing your own fabric, or just designing fabric for other people, I think that it is worth looking into Spoonflower. It's so cool. It costs $5 to order one of these plus $1 shipping each time, so it's $6 every time, but you're also building up your store where other people can order from you each of these designs on any of those fabrics. So see you guys later. Bye!